guys, welcome to a brand new video. And yes, what I'm doing right now today, I have come at my work. It's my work at RAJARHAT, that's in Kolkata, and we are fixing some CCTV cameras in a modular kitchen showroom. So I'm gonna show you that. You can see here they are working. So we have fixed lots of cameras, 16 cameras, and we have to monitor them through a HDMI port in a monitor. So that's what we are doing. I'll show you in the inner side of this showroom. Let me show you the front side so that you can understand how does it look like. It's an awesome place, man, and I think they are gonna make a business very well. So that's the showroom in my back side. Okay, I'll just definitely let you see in next clip, because what's going on, you need to understand we are working as the installer of CCTV camera. We install it and we also take care of this. So stay connected with my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let's go. গেটের দিকে করতে পারো। এই সামনে কোনো লাইট আছে দেখো তো, এই লাইটটা পড়ছে না, এই লাইটটা অফ করে দাও তো দেখি। এই যে এইখানটা দেখো যে লাইটটা পড়ছে টেবিলের উপরে। আমাকে ক্যামেরাটা আইডেন্টিফাই করো। So now guys, you have just seen how the work is going on, how the installation is under progress. So I am here, I'm just roaming here and there in a nice modular kitchen showroom, and you can find lots of things out here, man. If you're having a new apartment or something, you can simply come here and you can take your modular kitchen installation done from here. And I haven't talked with them about the price or something, so I don't know right now, but it's a new open up, so that's the reason they will be definitely help you out to get their first business done. So stay connected with my channel and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, see you then later.